Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today in this video we will see how to create a meeting on Microsoft Teams. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to create a meeting on Microsoft Teams. It is because you want to do a business meeting with someone on Microsoft Teams and you don't know how to create a meeting. Or maybe there's something that you want to elaborate to your workers, so you just want to create a meeting room. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instruction in the description so you can check that as well. Simply just tap on the icon of the Microsoft Teams app to open it. Once you open the app, this is how the app looks. Right now we are into communities and now in chats and now in alerts. So this is how it looks. But to create a call, you have to get to into chats and you could see this icon which says meet. So through this option you can create a meeting room, or you could say you can create a link for a meeting so that anybody can in and you could do your meeting. So once I click on it, you will see here we have 3 to 4 options. So the first option is the title of your meeting. It actually says your name, but if you don't want to show your name, what you could do is you could remove it and give another title to the meeting. If you have a meeting with your co-workers or your team, so you could write meeting with team workers, and if you have a meeting with your boss, then you can write meeting with boss. So that's how you can rename it. Whatever you would like to type, you can type it, and after that through second option you can share the link of this meeting so that the participants could get into this meeting and you could continue meeting with them on this app. On the third option you could copy the link of this meeting so that you could paste it wherever you want to paste. Through second option you can directly share the link, but with third option you first have to copy the link and then you can share it wherever you want to share. And from the last option you could do some kinds of editing with the meeting options. Once these options open, you will see we will get 2 more options. Through first option, you can log this meeting. By logging this meeting, what will happen is that if anybody has to come to meeting, first they have to get your permission. If you allow them, then they could enter into the meeting, otherwise they will not get into the meeting. I would suggest that you should log the meeting, because if you don't log that, any random person could get into a meeting if they have your link. And through second option you can manage who can present their screen. For example, if someone has to present a screen, so you have to allow them so they could share their screen. And once you're done with all that, click on save and it will get saved. After that you have to click on the arrow, this one, so you will get back, and there you can see we will again get all these options, but now you just have to click on start meeting to start the meeting so you could talk. So here once I clicked on it, as you can see the meeting has been started. Here you can add participant, you can share invitation link, and you can do some kind of basic editing. As you can see we have some meetings options, and if you just want to like end meeting, you can leave it and you can end meeting for all. It's all up to you. This was the easiest way I know through which you can create a meeting on Microsoft Teams. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.